Hi, today I'm going to make these very pretty ivy vines. Very easy to make, would make a lovely addition to any arrangement or bouquet. Materials required are crepe paper in off-white, cream color, a thick wire, thin wire, and these are silk paints. So I've taken a dark green and a yellow. Since I didn't have the proper green to make it, so I'm just going to mix these and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. These are the stencils of the various leaves of ivy. So the smallest is 4 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide. Then the next one is like 6.5 by 4 centimeters. Next to that is 7.5 by 5.5. And the largest I've made is 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So you can cut as many leaves as you like. And these are the squares, the shape for the largest two leaves. So this is 8 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And this is 10.5 by 8.5. So you cut this, and these two, the largest two, are the templates. For the small leaf, first cut a piece of thin wire, and this would be around 5 centimeters long. So take a little bit of the green floral tape and just wrap it around it. Like this. Now I have mixed both the colors, the green and the yellow. So now just apply it on the leaf and in the center so that you get a border of the cream. So this will spread the color most of the leaf green, since this is a young leaf, so it won't have too much of the yellow. You can just merge with the edge at places like so. So this I'll leave to dry properly. So this is how the leaf would look. Now I'll just take slightly blunt edged scissors and just core veins in it. Just a few, the mid vein and the side veins, like so. Just apply glue. And stick this. You can just press down so the vein is emphasized. So this is how the leaf would look. Just stretch the side a bit, just a little bit, because it's a small leaf. So I'll just do it like this. So this is how the leaf would look, and this is what I have done with the second leaf also, which has slightly more stretches on the edge in the same way. For the slightly bigger leaf, the third one, take the square, the smaller square, and just cut it in half diagonally, like this. So now just take the piece, the lines should go away from the diagonal line, like so that when you stick this, it will come on top and stick like this. So I'll just apply glue on the edge. And stick this one on it. like this. Now cut a piece of thin wire. So this is about 12 centimeters long, and I've covered it with green tape. So I'll just leave this aside and let this glue dry. So this is the template. I'm just going to place this on us, keeping the center line, and trace it out. Like so, and now I'll just cut it out. So this is what I get. So now just take the green color and just color this. So first I'll just put the color in the center. So this would have less green color than the first two leaves, and you can leave a wider border. So after the leaf has dried, take a pair of blunt edged scissors and just core on the leaf. So you have a center vein and you have these side veins. Like so. Then just flip it over, apply glue, and stick this wire on this. And you can press it from the front to get that impression of the wire, like so. And then just stretch the edge at a few places. And this is how the leaf would look. So I have made the bigger leaf also in the same way with lesser green area. Now I'll just assemble it all. So take a long piece of the green tape, stretch it, take the thick wire. So we'll start with the small leaf first. So leave a little pedicel, the stem of the leaf, not too long. Then attach more leaves. So I'll attach all of them, leaving a little gap between each. So after I've attached all the leaves, just open them out. So basically the ivy leaves face outwards and downwards, like so. The small ones don't go so perpendicular, just a little bit, and the top one will just stay straight up. So this is how the leaves would look.